Hello. Oh, welcome to the pet room. I'm doing something I don't really like doing here. I really don't have room because I'm lining up the pets for the family portrait. But I did want to see this fires up okay. I want to see if it really works. So I have a pet on the top, and I have a vintage cable. Oh, good. It didn't do anything. Device not present. I have a vintage cable. Oh, that seems to have fallen off. Oh, I really didn't want to have to do this now. Oh, dear, 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 dear. Along with a very early pet I got some time ago. I got this. This supposedly came from Commodore, an IEEE cable. No cover, no anything. Just there. And it doesn't have an end that you can daisy chain on the other end. It does have little inserts to make sure you get the cable in the right way around. But it didn't seem to stay. Okay, very well. All right, it's in. Things are spinning. Heads are banging. Okay. It seems it kind of worked. I really want to be careful. I want to move this back, but I don't want to have this cable fall off. All right. Let's try cataloging D1. Okay, we have an error. Print DS string. Drive not ready. All right, catalog D0. I've got the drive not be ready. Catalog D1. Okay, now it's spinning. Print DS string. Drive not ready. Well, oh dear, what do we got here? 10 open, 15, 8, 15, quote, I, 0, quote, colon, close, 15, 20, exactly the same, 30, 30, go to, 10, and maybe we'll do something wild here, 100, print DS string, colon, return. We're going to use a go sub, 15, go sub, 100, 25, go sub, 100, and then we're going to say run. So a go sub, okay. It does seem to be having some trouble under, but it's not, you know what, I need to stop this. Because, oh, in line 12, we should say catalog D0, and then in line, say 22, catalog D1. And C, okay. Read error. Alright, does seem to be having a consistent reader. I guess the thing to do now is spot this disk. Well, that does not come out very nice. Maybe there are spring issues. Let's put this one in drive 1. And that one reads. Let's try this one. Oh, it's weird. Let's see if that one reads in there. Maybe it's not actually formatted. My guess is it is not. Well, interesting. I wonder what the heck. Let's try some. Backup D1 to D0. Probably this will fail. Probably. It may be. See, I think you needed double-sided quad density discs. Oh, I hear things. So maybe it's actually doing it. Anyway, this, Andrew, a second. This has been sitting in a box for, 7 years, but it seems to be okay so far, so good. It does. Anyway, why did I get it out? Why did I dig and try and fight and get it out? Well, because I am going to put disk drives into the family portrait, and then I can get back to fixing things. And yeah. So that's about all I have to say about that. I don't know how long. I'm sure this backup will take longer than a regular disk because it holds, well, let me think, 6 times as much? Yeah, about 6 times as much as a 4040 drive. So we'll just let this spin, do its thing, and carry on. I don't know if you can see behind me, but I have been on these two tables. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 8, 9 of the pets, but there will be more. I don't intend to have a whole bunch of them stacked because I don't trust the tables that much. But I have been gathering all the ones that have the small screen and lining them up. And I'm also trying to line them up so that the ones that are a bit taller with the original pet thing, logo thing, are over there, and the shorter ones, such as this 4016, are down at this end, so it flows nicely. At least that is the plan. Anyway, thanks for coming to this unboxing, unearthing, and testing of this 8250, and also I'm testing out this IEEE cable. That the Pet's IEEE cables are rare and such, and I was thinking it might not be a bad thing to see if there's a way to, even though they won't be, oh, we have an error. Read error 23 147. Yeah, I'm not surprised. Not surprised. But D1 works. We'll run our little program, and it'll bash the head some, and it won't work. And the error light will flash. This is one that has one power light. All right, there we go. One power light and one error light combined. So when everything is good, it's green. When everything is not good, it's a red. Same LED. Okay, so this is kind of doing its thing here. I suppose while I'm here, I might just say header 8250. Why is this? Oh, something must be stuck down. Oh, the 8 key is stuck down. 8250, quote, comma, I, X, Y, comma, D0. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. And there it goes. These drives were really great for people who ran bulletin boards And of course, if you had some program that you had some massive database on. Anyway, back to the cables, the IEEE, the PET's IEEE cables. I'm thinking it might not be a bad thing to actually maybe send this cable away with Rudy and say, because it's all right here. It's not covered. It's not anything. It might not be a bad thing to order one of the modern IEEE to IEEE cables, essentially cut it in half, strip it back, strip it down neatly, connect it to an edge connector, and say, there, PET to IEEE cable, which is essentially what this is, and this is what Commodore, of course, originally sold, because they didn't have neat and tidy cables. I got this with a very original PET, and that's what it was. Anyway, I know you can't see it. Maybe another video, I'll show it to you. Anyway, I'm going to let this do its thing, and say, well, that's enough for now. See you again. From the pet room, David Bradley, signing off.